Welcome to my new listing, Immaculate Custom Home built in 2018, 1661 Northeast Barnes Lane in Gresham, Oregon. This Immaculate Custom Home was built in 2018 with all the high-end finishes. It is open concept with very well thought of design, very practical layout. The heart of the home, which is the kitchen, has luxurious granite countertops, custom cabinetry with ample storages, and high-end appliances. There is eat bar at the kitchen, skylights at the dining area, overlooking the backyard, and beautiful family living area with gas fireplace. The primary suite is on the main floor, which is very practical and convenient. It is very spacious that you can have this living area inside the primary suite as well, which can fit king-size bed easily. Primary bathroom is very beautiful and luxurious with soaking tub, walk-in shower, and very good size walk-in closet. The other two bedrooms are on the main floor as well, on the separate wing, with laundry room on the main floor and sink and cabinets, which are very convenient. Being on a separate wing from the primary bedroom gives the residents more privacy and functionality. Another full bathroom on the main floor as well give extra convenience and comfort for guests and family members alike. With this high-end spa jet tub, heading upstairs, the highlights of this home is the giant bonus rooms. 2 rooms on the upstairs, extremely spacious with skylights. These 2 extra areas can be gym, office, movie room, music room, game room, where you can put billiard table, or it can be extra area for the member of the family and guests.